Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is simple and creative in its presentation. I think you're gonna love it. This is a mail piece. This was from GMAC, and this is all about getting people to trade in their car and move on to the next one. So it says out of warranty, we've got you covered. This is an oversized mailer. This has a soft touch on the outside. This is the mailing panel on the back. And when you open it, it's just a very simple fold. It's one fold. So you've got this kind of carrier base, about a 100-pound coated cover. And then you've got three different elements that are tipped onto this piece. There's a really thick, this is definitely like a C1S weight. There's a special exclusive private offer. This is tipped on as a certificate. It's got metallic ink. It looks kind of fancy. This is a little card as well, same weight. It says, ask yourself, these questions. If you answered no, flip this card. So this is a peel off, and, we want to change your mind. So it's got some kind of interactivity here where you take a look at this, you read this. It says, still not convinced. Take a look at what's next. And it says, what's next? And this is a little 12-page booklet that's tipped on to the piece. So, and this has all different new vehicles in here. This is 12 pages pasted. This is not stitched. So this is definitely long run automated finishing here for direct mail. Really, really cool. Beautifully done. Everything's just kind of got its spot, and yet it feels really special. I can see this for loyalty programs or any type of rewards, you name it. It's just neat how everything is laid out for you. You open the piece, you don't have to look for anything, you don't have to pull anything out. It's all there, and it's organized, and it's interactive, and I love that this booklet is tipped on. So just smart, mail, and simple. I love this carrier idea. 2 panels, everything sits on top and is attached. Very cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Mailer with tipped on elements. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folding ideas, downloads, and templates. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.